Now we have to place the AdSense unit onto our website. So we've already created the unit. Now we have to just get the code and put it on our website. Wherever we put the code on the website will be where it shows up as an ad. So just click Get Code for the unit that you want to display, and then copy this. You can right click and just click Copy. Close that. Now you have to go to your website. This is the easiest way that I found to place the AdSense, is simply to add a plugin. So go to Plugins on the left-hand side, then click Add New. Search for Easy AdSense, and then install the Easy plugin for AdSense. I found that this is the easiest way. There are other ways that you can do it, but this one is an easy way, it's powerful, and you don't have to know any coding or anything like that. So now that it's activated, just click on the settings, and let's go through the setup. So this is where the AdSense code will show up. In this sense, this is for the lead in. This is mid post, it appears near the middle. This is for the lead out, it appears near the end of the post. And then there are a few different kinds. There's a widget, a link unit, and a search widget. So we do want this one to display at the beginning. So all I have to do is paste the code into here, beginning of post, and I'm going to put line left and no wrap. For this, I'm going to suppress this widget. If you suppress, it means it won't show up. So I'm going to suppress all these because I only want the one that I have put in place to show up. So suppress. And as far as settings go, you can just leave this one, the 3 ad blocks setting there. Suppress AdSense blocks on pages. I don't want them showing up on the pages, and I don't want it showing up on the home page for these particular settings. I only want them to show up on our posts. So I'm going to click Save Changes, and that should do it. Okay, now let's have a look at the website. So I'll look at one of the ads, and here it is. So our AdSense is now up and running, and you can see that it's at the beginning of the article.